So, hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about local storage and AuthGuard in our Angular project. So, let's begin now. So, local storage is the storage of web application in client side. Local storage will be stored until it's not been cleared. Like in local storage, we have local storage dot set item, we have dot get item, we have dot remove item, we have, and as we also have the clear as well. So, first I'll run my project in G. So, and this terminal I will run JSON server. So our project has been run successfully. Now I'll inspect and show where the local storage data will be stored. So I have inspected. Now I'll go to my application. Here we can see local storage is not present. So we'll store this data in the local storage when we log in. So now let's do. So first I'll go to my API. My API is in shared folder. So let me create a function called as user login. So I'll pass data. So this dot http dot get I'll use. Let me use backtick for template details. So I'll go here, and this is my JSON server. I'll go on post, because after matching this only we have to log in. So I'll copy this, not this actually, sign up. After these are the credentials used. By this credential only we can log in actually, because these are used in our sign up. So like I'll copy the path, paste it here, put a question mark, email equals to so I'll take data dot email and password equals to data dot password. So I need a third parameter as well. I'll take observe and take the response, and here only I'll subscribe it. I'll not do in component. And I'll take response, let it be value, so arrow function I have to use. This arrow demo. Save. So I'll go to my login component.ts. Here this is basically a login page where we can see that we have login, student login page it is. Here we have ng submit. In this I have login function. So I'll go to the component.ts of login. So firstly I'll take this dot API dot, so it's not API actually, this is this dot HTTP dot inlet user login we have. Wait, I'm missing something. Yeah, we didn't import actually. Private API and API service, and this got auto imported. Now this dot API dot, we have user login, and in that like we'll pass a parameter that will be data. For now let it be any. So I am getting error here in ng submit. So here I'll do this dot login form dot value. Yes, now it's running. So let me go back to my API. So let me make a condition. If value and value dot body dot length equals to 1 if user is false, that time I have to store it in the local storage. Local storage dot, we have set item and store as a login data. So I have to convert the JavaScript value to JSON string. So I'll use stringify as well, comma JSON dot stringify for the value dot, and then I have to route to the student page. Before that I'll use private router, then let me route to the student page dot router dot navigate to the student page. So let me try now. So I'll go to my application, I'll use this password is ABCD and login. Oh, we can see it's not login. Let me check where I made mistake. Yeah, I forgot and here. Let me try now. So I'll show you in console what values are coming. Log value. When I log in, you can see in local storage value has been getting stored. This itself is a local storage, and now in console I will see what all values I am getting. Yeah, I am getting all these values, body, header, and URL and everything, but I only need to see the body. So value body I'll give. So let me try once again. Yes, we can see values, we can see here. The same thing is getting stored in the local storage. So you can see if I log out, we still have the data. So this should not be there. So now I have to delete this on logout. So this I will do now. Before that, error handling I will do here, else part I have not done. If it's right, it will route to the student page. Else I'll give a alert, user not found with these credentials. So let me try. So if I type anything apart from this, like count, we can see user not found with this credential caps show. And I'll do a server side also. If any problem for server, that time we need something like here error. Sorry, I'll do here take a arrow function and alert thing went wrong, try after some time. So now okay, this is finished. For logout something I'll do. This is also where I can see the logout. Here we can see logout button. So here I'll give a click function. Click logout. Let me come to student component.ts here. So let me do logout. So local storage dot remove item and name is login data, because we have used the name as login data only. Let me check. Yeah, login data. So like now if I log out, we can see it's been deleting. Local storage has been deleting. So this problem is solved. On login, local storage has been storing. On logout, local storage has been deleting. Now if I take this also value, local storage has been storing for any sign of values, and it's been deleting on logout as well. But main problem is like I am not protecting my route actually. I can type without storing on the local storage also I can type student. I can go to this page. So this problem I have to fix now. So for this I will be using AuthGuard. So let me use the AuthGuard actually. So AuthGuard, it is an route guard used to protect our routes from unauthorized, unauthenticated people actually. Like it can be implemented using like can activate and all. So I'll come to new terminal. So let me create a guard first. Ng generate guard, name is auth. So let me click on can activate here. So AuthGuard is been created. Yeah, we can see AuthGuard TS is being created. So basically this student page I have to protect. So first I'll go to my app.routing. You can see app.routing model.ts. So this is the student page. This I have to protect now. So let me use can activate AuthGuard. AuthGuard got auto imported. So let me go to my AuthGuard only again. So by default return is true. So on condition I'll make, if I'll do like if local storage value is present, that time only it should allow. If local storage is not present itself, that time I should not allow to the student page. So like I'll use if condition. If local storage dot get item, and it's like local storage name is login data. If login data is present, if login data is present, then only allow the user. And else I'll use else means if login data is not present in the local storage, that time return false. So I'll see once again, if local storage login data is present, that time I want to make our student component to route to that page. If the value is not present, then I'll not allow, and I'll not allow in the sense I'll keep in same page, like I should stay on same page. This dot router dot navigate, and I have to stay in login page itself, which is our main page. And because I have to make use of constructor as well, constructor private route router. Router, and this is router. So router got auto imported. Now let's check. Now in our local storage, wait, I'll show. In our local storage value is not stored. Okay, I'm copying. A value got stored, and I am logouting. A value got deleted. Still I am fetching student. You can see I can't go to student page. Why? Because it is returning false and it is staying on the same page, that is login page. So if local storage there is, if data is present, that time only you take it to the on this one page. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video.